XRP will be number 1, and Elon Musk just confirmed that for us. Shocking evidence. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss when XRP will be going number 1 and what exactly Elon Musk said about XRP. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
The price of XRP could soon end a long accumulation phase and break out above its range that has been seeing its peak at $1.3 over the last few months, according to a closely followed cryptocurrency analyst. On Twitter, as Daily Hodl reports, the pseudonyms analyst going by Altcoin Sherpa has told his nearly 150,000 followers that the XRP price chart doesn't look bad, as it has low volatility candles and looks a bit like accumulation. Per his words, the trade may not be a great active trade, but the cryptocurrency is one to watch. Altcoin Sherpa predicted that if altcoins or Bitcoin starts surging, XRP could be a really strong buy as retail loves cheap coins. The analyst, it's worth noting, accurately predicted that the price of Binance Coin, BNB, would climb to the $600 mark early this month and is now expecting that altcoin to surge again, both against the US dollar and Bitcoin. As Crypto Globe reported, a cryptocurrency whale has just moved a whopping $12 billion worth of XRP in a transaction that cost next to nothing to process thanks to the network's low fees. According to data from the XRP ledger, a total of $12.3 billion worth of XRP was moved in the transaction that cost 0.000012 XRP, or $0.0000157 in the process. It's unclear who sent the transaction or who received it, if it was even a different entity, but the transaction highlights a key benefit of top cryptocurrencies: the low transaction fees that are possible even for extremely large transactions. Crypto whales own a large share of XRP circulating supply, which means they can single-handedly move its price if they decide to sell their holdings. Similarly, whales can move up the price of XRP if they decide to keep on accumulating. The prominent cryptocurrency analyst Credible Crypto has earlier this month reaffirmed his prediction for XRP, revealing that he believes the cryptocurrency is due for a massive breakout shortly based on its price chart. The cryptocurrency's price was last year affected by a lawsuit filed from the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, against Ripple and two of its executives, alleging that they raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offering. Ripple has argued the lawsuit already affected countless innocent XRP retail holders with no connection to Ripple, and it added, muddied the waters for exchanges, market makers, and traders. The firm's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, has said the fintech firm is highly likely to go public after it settles its lawsuit with the regulator. Elon Musk has demonstrated how he uses his online presence to both stimulate corporate development and make a costly blunder. On the 24th of August, Elon Musk tweeted a Lord of the Rings reference. He tweeted 9 rings for mortal men. Well, at first, Twitter only took it as a Lord of the Rings reference, but we know that Elon Musk never tweets something unless he has a hidden meaning behind this. As a result, experts and Musk's followers jumped on the tweet and began deciphering what he meant. Musk always tweets cryptic messages, so this one might be also about it. Many people just believed that it was just a Lord of the Rings fan tweet, but as a matter of fact, it was about cryptocurrency, or more specifically, XRP. The tweet was deciphered through Gematria. You might know about Gematria if you have seen our previous videos, but if you're new here, let me tell you. If you ask a numerology expert, they will tell you that numbers and words have an odd relationship. they'll tell you that letters and words have a numerical value and weight that is implied to a deeper meaning, and that these numerical values and weights connect other words of similar weight. Gematria is an alphanumeric code of assigning numerical value to a name, word, or phrase on its letters. A single word can yield multiple values depending on the cipher used. In Hebrew, every letter is assigned a numerical value, which can be combined to form a numerical value of a word. It is still widely used in Jewish culture. Similar systems have been used in other languages and cultures. The Greek isopsephy, and later derived from or inspired by Hebrew gematria, Arabic numerals, and English gematria. So, when we put these words, 9 rings for mortal men, the results were something like that. You can see Ripple's true XRP value. So, what Elon Musk, the ultimate crypto influencer, is trying to show us is the true value of XRP. SpaceX, Elon Musk's company, will be working with NASA again to get astronauts to the moon. The federal judge who is taking on the case of Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos' aerospace company, against the US government for contracts with Musk's firm, gave the reason to the aerospace agency. This means that Starship will continue its plan to take humans to the moon. Faced with the judge's ruling, Jeff Bezos commented through his Twitter account, "It is not the decision we wanted, but we respect the judgment of the court and wish full success for NASA and SpaceX in the contract." In April of this year, 2021, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, chose Elon Musk's company with the aim that it would develop, manufacture, and operate 2 flights of its Starship spacecraft to land on the moon. In addition to SpaceX, Dynetics and Blue Origin were competing for this public contract. After the results were released, Bezos' company sued the US government in the US Court of Federal Claims, challenging NASA's illegal and inappropriate assessment of proposals submitted for the lunar program. This started a legal battle that threatened to delay the progress of the plan to take humans to the moon. However, on Thursday, November 4th, the judge's decision was announced. Elon Musk did not go unnoticed as to his reaction to the news. Known for his sense of humor on social networks, the billionaire owner of Tesla responded with a meme to the tweet of journalist Michael Sheets that released the information. The richest man in the world tweeted an image from the movie Judge Dredd, directed by Danny Cannon, with a caption that reads, "You've been judged." Now, there is trending news that just over a month ago, Elon Musk revealed his forecast for humanity, which includes cryptocurrencies, drugs, and robots. Now, his internal nemesis, Jeff Bezos, released 4 predictions of planet Earth and confessed that he believes in aliens, but assures that they are not interested in visiting us. During the Our Future in Space event, organized by Paul and Nancy Ignatius program at the Washington Cathedral, the billionaire founder of Amazon said that he imagines humans living outside Earth in spacecrafts, while our planet becomes a vacation destination. The prediction of the founder and CEO of Blue Origin has left many speechless, but the big reveal was that he believes in aliens. Jeff Bezos' predictions. The 57-year-old mogul has worked hard in recent years to get his aerospace company to send humans out of orbit, but clarified that his ultimate goal was to save the world. The billionaire said that hence the name Blue Origin, because our origin is this blue planet, and it is the most precious planet in the world. We must preserve and conserve it, and make sure that our children and their children, and those who follow, have this beauty in their lives. For that to happen, Bezos posted a not-so-far-fetched futuristic scenario. Number 1. Industrial activity will be sent to space. This planet is so small that if we want to continue growing as a civilization, using more energy, much of that in the future will have to be done off-planet, says the businessman. He explained that it will be necessary to build power plants in space to meet growing energy needs of humanity. However, consider that most of that energy will be consumed in space itself before reaching the planet. Also, the factories and everything that generates pollution will be sent outside the Earth. Number 2, we will inhabit huge spaceships. While Elon Musk has already sold all his houses to colonize Mars, Jeff Bezos thinks that making a planet habitable is very complicated. Therefore, he believes that the most feasible thing is to build giant floating colonies in space to make them our new home. He described that these ships would have a cylindrical shape to create artificial gravity when rotating, very similar to what was proposed in the movie Elysium. The Amazon founder said that these colonies would not be like international space stations, but that their environment would replicate the conditions on Earth, with abundant vegetation and animals. In addition, they will be located very close to our planet in case we want to return. Number 3. Humanity will develop outside of Earth. According to the magnate, the world's population will continue to grow and this planet will be able to support, let's say, 10 billion humans. But the solar system can support a billion people. In this scenario, Jeff predicts that millions of individuals will move to the aforementioned space colonies. Most or many of the inhabitants will be born in space. It will be your first home. There they will be born, live, and develop their professions, he explained. Number 4. Earth will just be a vacation destination. Throughout the interview, the creator of Blue Origin made it clear that his entire project is aimed at saving the planet, sending its inhabitants into space. But, as we mentioned, he also contemplates returning home from time to time, which is why he believes that the people of the future will visit Earth as today the way you would visit Yellowstone National Park. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then,